welcome back. Hope you all are enjoying your good health and doing well in your studies. Now, let us begin one more new chapter in history, that is chapter 9, the Industrial Revolution. Children, this chapter is very interesting. You are going to understand how in Great Britain during the time period of 1780 to 1815, the Industrial Revolution rised up. There were several reasons behind this that we are going to discuss one by one in these videos or the lectures. Now, let us begin with the first topic and understand what is the geographical situation, what were those favorable conditions due to which in Great Britain the Industrial Revolution rised up.
Children, let us understand what is the meaning of Industrial Revolution. It is the transition to the new manufacturing process from 1760 to 1870. It brought some radical changes to the world. This transition includes going from hand production method to machines, new chemical manufacturing and iron production, and increasing uses of the steam power, the development of machine tools, and the rise of the factory system. Now children, let us know about before Industrial Revolution how Great Britain people used to live their life. Most of the people, they resided in the small towns and rural communities. Daily life revolved around the farming activities. Life of the average person was little difficult and their family income was very less. Many people were malnourished due to this, and disease was very common in those days. People produced the bulk of their own food and clothing, furniture and tools. Manufacturing was mostly done in home or small or rural shops using hand tools or simple machines. So this was the lifestyle of people when machineries were not introduced in Great Britain. They were totally dependent upon their hand skills.
So children, let us know before going to begin with the new topics, what is the location of Great Britain in world. So this is the location of Great Britain. It is near to the Atlantic Sea. You will find some part of the European countries are below Great Britain, like Portugal, Spain, France, Italy and so on. And here are some popular cities you should know, like Scotland, England, London and Wales. So children, these cities are very popular. These were the ancient urbanized cities and which later on developed into great way. Now the question comes that at what time period the industrialization took place in Great Britain. It was the time period between 1780 to 1850. Please remember, this date is very important for your competitive exams. So children, a question comes that why only in Great Britain at first the Industrial Revolution began. So to know this why, we have several sources. So to understand those sources, we will broadly discuss in our upcoming videos. Before that, let me give you a slight bit idea how this industrialization was very popular in Great Britain. Number one, because of availability of the money, or you can say exchanging material was money. Second, discoveries of several new machines for the industries. Third, easily availability of the laborers, and very important for all these that they had wonderful market through which they can gain their profit in the market. Now before going to begin with all these things in detail, let us understand the background history of Great Britain. See children, this Great Britain was like Indians only earlier, before the discoveries of machines and all things were not being done in Great Britain. So people used to make and draft their own material by their hand. They used to craft their own material and used to sell in their local market their handmade materials. Now after the discoveries of machineries, they begin with the establishment of the industries. In this way, industries flourish a lot in some of the popular cities in England. Second very important thing was that this land was surrounded, this Great Britain as we can see here is surrounded by sea all around, and gradually they made a sea route for the transportation of different materials from one place to another place.
Children, let us once again see why did Industrial Revolution first take hold in Britain. as we know, there was no civil strife or invading of army took place in Great Britain like France. So people find very good and stable government over there. And another important factor was that they had wonderful factors for the food production or the production which is required for the industry, that is land, labor and capital. The presence of large middle class was invested to draw for the better life. Another important favorable feature was that there was no trade taxes like other European countries in Great Britain. It was enriched with the natural resources which was needed for the industrialization like water, coal, iron ore, rivers, harbour for the ship. All these favorable factors were responsible for the Industrial Revolution at first in Britain. Let us see the broad features of Britain's coal mine. Britain had a large quantity of coal which was found to be an effective form of power. Britain's coal could be easily mined. The coal mines were also close to the sea, which allowed to be easy for the ships to transport from one place to another place in the European countries. Now let us see how Britain's intellectual climate supported towards the Industrial Revolution in Great Britain. Britain allowed their all scientists, inventors and freethinkers to work, discuss and debate openly without the threat of church or state, to discover and invent new machines and technology which could be helpful for the development of industries. Whereas this practice was not very popular in the other part of the European country because they have threat of censorship of church and states. Another important resource was Britain's iron. Britain also had large quantity of iron. Englishman Abraham Darby discovered a easy and cheaper method to produce iron cast. Iron was essential material used to make everything from the appliances, tools and machine to ships, buildings and infrastructure. Another very important feature was Britain's colony, which played important role in establishing of Industrial Revolution. Britain was politically stable society as well as the world's largest leading colonial power. Colonies could serve as a source for the raw material as well as they were the marketplace for the manufactured goods.
So children, at the end of the 17th century, what happened? Currency was introduced for exchanging the goods, and due to this, some of the cities like, as I told you, Wales, London and Scotland, they became very popular and they transformed into the big cities and towns, and it became the great source of the employment to the farmer, those who are landless. So in this way, these small towns converted into cities, and then the trading became very much popular with the help of exchange of the currency or the finance. Now this was the history through which we came to know that how the industrialization was taking place in Great Britain.
Let us conclude the module. In this module we learnt about the Industrial Revolution which took place in England around 1780 to 1850. This revolution enhanced manufacturing of goods from hands to machine using of steam engine and machine tools. For almost entire history of mankind life on the agriculture and livestock, at the end of the 18th century, the Englishman James Watt invented a steam engine. Until then, artisans have been dedicated of manufacturing utensils with their own hands in their small factory or the workshops. But with the arrival of a steam engine, it changed forever. This machine is used for the energy of steam to change into power. This new machine occupied in industries and began to work. So the small artisans and workshops, they vanished or destroyed and giving way to the big factories. The steam engine was also used to transport goods from one place to another, and first time the steamboats and the ships were built which facilitated trade and commerce between cities and countries. Europe was filled with the trains. This way, large population migrated to the cities for jobs. At first, men, women and children started working for the long hours in these industries. They used to work for long hours in the poor sanitation. Later, they went with the Great Revolt and demand for the good sanitation and wages.
That's all in this video. Remaining topic we are going to cover in upcoming videos. Till then, stay happy, stay tuned.
Let's do some questionnaire. The first industrial revolution took place between dash and dash in Britain, 1780 to 1790, 1670 to 1750, 1780 to 1850 or 1880 to 1950. Second question is, which mineral were available in England that were used in industries? Coal and iron, lead and copper, aluminium and iron or copper and aluminium? Answer all these questions in comment. Thank you for watching.